Yo, what is happening? Welcome back to the channel. So today I am very excited. I can't explain how excited I am. You can tell by the amount of verries I just done. I'm excited because tomorrow the car gets dropped off for vinyl wrapping at C2F4. Yes, that is right, the car's getting vinyl wrapped. The guys at C2F4 hooked it up, done me an amazing deal that I can't refuse, and we are wrapping the car. I ain't going to tell you what colour yet, but we are wrapping it. So today I've got 24 hours before the car's got to be dropped off and ready, fully prepped and done and ready to go for them to vinyl wrap. So today what we are doing is, you saw the previous video, we've done the headlights. As you see, they look awesome. So now what we've got to do is fit side skirts. So the side skirts that are on the car, let me show you them. They're absolutely boring and plain. They don't suit the front bumper or the rear bumper at all. As you can see, just plain old, plain Jane, just dead straight, no curves, nothing. So what we done was, we bought some M3 style ones. M style, M3 style. They have the nice big lip going up under the doors, nice little groove at the back, and a lot wider, so it might complement the front bumper. Once the front bumper's on, you get an idea, but it should complement the front bumper and just give it a little bit more aggression on the side, because at the moment, as you can see looking down the side, it's a bit flat. Ignore the wheels. The wheels are in there, they've had a makeover. So yeah, we've got to get the side skirts on. It's pretty straightforward. Loads of Torx screws at the bottom, about 6 8mm nuts at the back, and then the tops just pop off. So we're going to open up the driver's door, start on the driver's side, switch the car around because I ain't got much room both sides, and then we'll get that going. So fingers crossed the weather stays with us. Hopefully it don't start raining. It looks like it's raining. We're meant to have a storm. Hopefully that don't happen, because I need to get the car done tomorrow. The wheels have got to be put back on, skirts have got to be done, front bumper's got to be put back on, and spoiler lip needs spraying. So this is all to come in another video, probably later today or tomorrow morning, before we drop the car off. So let's get into it. I think the first things first, I think we just got to pop this off. I think there's one clip here, 2 in the middle, and one over the other end there. So we just got to get our hands underneath it, pop that off. I think there's a couple of screws holding it in the top, 2 at the back here, like I said, and all the Torx underneath, and then it should just pop off, fingers crossed. Let's see how it goes. That was literally not even 30 seconds. We'll stick that in there, out of the way. So these are the ones that I don't want to break. So these little tabs, I think you've got to pull the middle out and then pull the bottom out. I don't actually have any trim tools with me, so it's going to probably be a flat screwdriver jobby, I think. If you don't have a trim tool, literally go nick your 2 knives out your kitchen, use the smooth side, just slide it under and then pry it out. I've managed to get 2 out, literally probably 30 seconds, not even that. Just take it easy, try not to snap them. Again, that was pretty straightforward. Got these like long plastic bolts, so focuses. Yeah, look, these long plastic bolts or whatever they are. So I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of those underneath there. We're gonna hit the 2, see the 2 8mm there, and then she should just pop off. Fingers crossed. Okay, so the bolts are out. I'm pretty sure now you just give it a pull from the top, and then yeah, that's it. Oh, is there one more screw? Voila. Pretty sure. So you can see that's the one that was on the car. Look at the difference in the aggressive lines. That's just pure flat all the way through. Pleb specs. That's a pleb spec side skirt. This is the bad boy side skirt. So literally straight swapsies, pretty straightforward. Get that one on and we'll move on to the passenger side in a minute. I broke one of the clips, so we had to use a bit of the old glue, but yeah, it's fitted. That looks so much more aggressive now. This is what I'm aiming for, just to have the car looking aggressive. Obviously not with them wheels and front bumper ain't on, but the fitment is pretty good. Ain't the best, obviously. Let's try this up. But it goes on pretty good, if I do say so myself. I haven't got all the screws in at the bottom yet, so all the screws in at the bottom should pull this in here nicely. We'll get all those in, and then yeah, see how it go from there. That's one done. The fitment ain't the best. I think I've snapped one of the clips. It doesn't go in much more than that, but it sticks out a little bit. It's quite flush there, but then there with a bit of persuasion it goes back, so I'm not too sure. That's something I'll take up at a later date, but for now it's a lot more aggressive on the side. Got a little bit of rain at the minute, but they are both on. Let me quickly jump out here. One's on, there's the old ones, and there's the other one. I'm not too happy with the fitment, but what do you expect for copy side skirts? The jack's underneath for a minute. Slide this under here. Had to use some self-tapping screws. So both the side skirts are done. This one, the fitment's not that great. Can you see it? Just there. I don't know what it is. I might try to tap it. I'm not too sure. See how it goes, but it looks more aggressive down the side of the car. Come this side, you see it better. It's definitely a lot better down the side. Nice curvature of it. Nice quick video today. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. It means a lot to me. I'm going to be doing a lot with this build. Like I said, the car tomorrow should be going for wraps, dropped off for wrapping, providing I get the front bumper on. I still ain't got the front bumper on, so I need to do that. I need to get the wheels back on. Like, I've got so much more to do. So yeah, stay tuned for the next one. Tomorrow we should be, well, the next video should be dropping the car for wrapping if I get everything back on the car. So sweet. See you later.